In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a presentation on Google Sites fast and easy. Let's dive right in to make your Google Sites page more dynamic and engaging by adding a presentation. First, we need to head over to Google Sites. Open up your browser and perform a quick search for Google Sites, or simply type sitesgoogle.com in the address bar. This will take you to the Google Sites main page where you'll find all your available sites. Next, you'll want to log in if you haven't already. You should see a list of your sites once you're in. Choose the site where you want to embed your presentation. Simply click on the site name to open and start editing. Now that you're in the editing interface, focus on the right-hand side of your screen. This is where all your editing tools are located. What we want to do next is click on the Insert button on the right panel. This step is crucial as it opens up various options for the type of elements you can add to your page. Once you click Insert, you'll see all kinds of widgets there. And what we're interested in is the Google Drive icon. So go ahead and click on Drive. This action will pop up a window displaying everything you have stored in your Google Drive. The next step is to locate your Google Slides presentation in this Drive window. You might see a list or a grid view, so feel free to use the search bar at the top if your drive is as crowded as mine typically is. Once you find your presentation, click on it to select it. A blue outline should appear around it, indicating it's ready to be added. With your presentation selected, the next thing to do is hit the Insert button at the bottom of this window. It's just a click, and voila! The presentation magically appears on your Google Sites page. Lastly, you might need to tweak its size or position to fit your site's layout nicely. You can click and drag the corners or sides of the embedded presentation to adjust its dimensions. And just like that, you're now a pro at embedding presentations in Google Sites. Congratulations on enhancing your site's interactivity. Be sure to save your work by clicking on the Publish button in the upper right corner. This ensures that all your hard work reflects on the live page. Adding presentations to your Google site can be a game changer, making your content not only more informative, but also visually engaging. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy site building.